Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Personality. Today we have in the biography series another cricketer, another sports person. His name is Saurav Ganguly, the legendary Saurav Ganguly. So before I begin, I would like to request you to subscribe Vaish's channel and subscribe Vaish Courses also. And there are many video series coming, right? So press the bell notification so that you never miss an update. Also, I mean it is highly recommended that you join the test series made by Vaishsar, which is very comprehensive for 2023 preparation, and also follow the timetable religiously. And do not ignore the foundational videos made by Vaishsar, which are fundamentals for your UPSC preparation, and those videos are also available in Hindi. And support these videos by liking and sharing as much as you can. Right? So let's begin. So Saurav Ganguly is one of the most influential players in the history of Indian cricket. Affectionately, he is known as Dada. He is 39th president of BCCI and former Indian national team captain. So during his career, he was the world's leading batsman and one of the most successful captains of the Indian national cricket team. Now we'll learn about his childhood and family. So Saurav Ganguly was born on 8 July 1972 in Calcutta, now Kolkata, and two, his father was Chandidas and mother was Nirupa Ganguly. His father was one of among the richest men in the city and he ran a flourishing print business. Saurav Ganguly initially played football as it is the favorite sport of the people of Kolkata but was later attracted to cricket. He learned cricket with his brother, and despite being right handed, he learned to bat left handed so that he could use his brother's sporting equipment. He scored a century against Odisha under 5 and went on to become the captain of St. Xavier's school cricket team. Now his stint in domestic cricket. In 1989, Saurav Ganguly was selected to play for the Bengal team. After an impressive show in Ranji Trophy in 1990-91 session, the left-handed came into the limelight. So test debut and first class cricket in the Ranji series sessions of 1993, 1994, 95. Consecutively, he was a spectacular run maker. In 95-96 Dilip Trophy, he scored 171 runs. Saurav Ganguly got a chance to make his test debut in this year, and then in the same game, Rahul Dravid also made his test debut. Saurav Ganguly scored 131, and Rahul Dravid, scored 95 runs. Now his one-day career. In one-day ton against Sri Lanka, he scored his maiden and then won consecutive Man of the Match award. He also featured in 1999 World Cup and he struck 183 against Sri Lanka. This was the highest score in one-day cricket of Saurav Ganguly. In the next test at Trent Bridge, Saurav Ganguly scored 136 and became the third batsman in the history to score centuries in the first two innings after Lawrence Rowe and Alvin Kalicharan. He is known as the god of the offside. He had the gift of an immaculate timing and was termed as the god of the offside, as I told. Next, so he now his stint as captain of Indian cricket team. So he also shared a 255 run stand with Sachin Tendulkar, which became at that time the highest partnership for India against any country for any wicket outside India. In 2000, Saurav Ganguly was named as the captain of the Indian cricket team, right? So his start as a captain was well and led India to a series win over South Africa in the 5-match one-day series and led the Indian team to the finals of the 2000 ICC Knockout Trophy where New Zealand defeated Men in Blue, that is Indian team. Under the captaincy of Saurav Ganguly, India broke Australia's streak of winning 16 consecutive test matches in 2001. Another highlight of Saurav Ganguly's career, where India beat England in an ODI at Lords, and he swayed his T-shirt. This picture is very famous. All those who follow at least a bit of cricket, so he swayed his T-shirt from the balcony of the Lords, that is in England. It was the response to Andrew Flintoff, who swayed his T-shirt at the Wankhede Stadium in India. Now, 2003 World Cup. India reached the final of World Cup in 2003 for the first time since 1983 but lost to Australians. Personally, Saurav Ganguly had a successful tournament. He scored 465 runs at an average of 58.2 including 3 centuries. records and achievements. So Saurav Ganguly was the most successful test captain overseas and he remained for a long time. He captained 28 matches and out of which 11 were won by the Indian team. Now this record has been broken by Virat Kohli in August 2019. In one day international, he's the only cricketer to win four consecutive man of the match awards. In one days, he was the fastest batsman to score 9,000 runs, although his record was broken in 2017 by AB de Villiers of South Africa. In the ninth cricketers in the world, he is the only who has scored a century and taken 4 wickets in a single match. He is also among the 12 cricketers in the world who have scored a half century and taken 5 wickets in a single match. Then ICC Champions Trophy. In the history of ICC Champions Trophy, he is the fastest player to score 3 centuries. In the final of the ICC Champions Trophy, Saurav Ganguly holds the record for the highest individual score, that is 117 by any batsman. He is one of the world's 14 cricketers who have played 100 or more test series and 300 or more one days. Now, President of India of BCCI. In 2019, Saurav Ganguly was elected as the President of BCCI, Board of Cricket Control of India. He has been awarded several awards for his outstanding contribution in the field of sports. Some of them are Sports Star Person of the Year, Arjun Award, SIAT Indian Captain of the Year Award, Padma Shri in 2004, and Ram Mohan Roy Award. He earned 31 one day man of the match awards. He received six man of the match awards in Test series. On 20 May 2013, the government of West Bengal honored Saurav Ganguly with the Banga Bhushan Award. With this, we have come an end to this episode. Hope you enjoyed it and found this very inspiring. And keep supporting by liking and sharing this video. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you.